Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that makes car owners nervous? Inconsistent repair quality. At Arts, we know you want repairs that look great and last, and we deliver consistent excellence on every job. Let me share a story about Tara, a pet groomer who came to us recently. Her 2017 Kia Sportage had a damaged side door from a fender bender. Tara was wary after a shop's repair on another car left mismatched paint that peeled. We showed her our commitment to quality, using industry-leading materials and skilled craftsmanship. Our team restored her Sportage to perfection, and Tara said, "Arts repair is flawless. I trust it'll stay that way." Our secret? We combine expert technicians, top-tier paints, and rigorous inspections to ensure every repair is consistently outstanding. From dings to collision fixes, our Pomona shop backs every job with a warranty. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're dedicated to repairs you can count on. Ready for consistent quality? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't settle for inconsistent repairs. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Consistent quality every time.